Sa confession room, kausap ni Kuya ang nagbabalik na si Coach Lara.
Day 2 ng training nila.
Yes, Kuya. Excited na po ako.
Lara?
Yes,
Sa kasalukuyan, may 2 bisita na kasama ang mga housemates ko. Silang 2 ang makakatunggali ng mga Filipino housemates. Nais ko rin na isama mo sila sa inyong training.
Okay po, Kuya.
Ilang sandali pa, pinuntahan na ni Coach Lara ang girls.
Mama!
Hi! Hello! How are your legs? Sakit hanggang ngayon? Hello? Kamusta? Hi! Hello! I'm Lara. Ria?
Maria.
Maria. Nice to meet you, Maria.
Stephanie.
Stephanie. And you're both from Brazil.
Yeah.
Hello. Welcome to the food
Thank you.
Alright, let's go sit down.
So, I was so glad na makita ulit si Ate Lara kasi mas matutulungan niya pa po kami sa aming journey dito po sa pageant na ito.
I'm here to train you for the pageant. Have you had any experience?
I joined Miss Rio
Yes.
2014. It was second place.
Second place girls. Miss Rio. How about you?
Me too.
Yes, well.
Yeah.
Same pageant?
Different year.
Different year.
Yeah. And I did the other one, small part
Smaller
of the Rio.
pageant than Miss Rio.
Yeah.
And did you place as well?
Yeah, the small one. She won.
You won?
Yeah, the small one.
Okay, so we've got 2 beautiful girls with experience who won.
Hala, patay ba? Mas may karanasan na nga sila, mas magiging magaling pa sila. Pero syempre, di ko na inisip yun.
Sa kitchen area, ang boys pinag-uusapan ng magaganap na kompetisyon.
If we lost, I wouldn't mind.
Yeah, because we just lose the food.
But I think they have a good chance of winning, you know?
Yeah,
They're pretty good.
they look like models.
I still think we can win. I just think it's not going to be easy for our girls.
Maya-maya pa, sinimulan na ni Coach Lara ang kanilang session.
What do I always say? You beauty queens always has to
Smile.
smile. Have you tried smiling for 5 minutes straight?
It hurts so much.
It hurts. Okay. So I'm gonna teach you tricks para makasmile ka ng matagal, hindi madali. So ang pencil exercise, nakakatulong masana yung mga muscles na ginagamit for smiling para mabawasan yung panginginig sa pagngiti. Can you feel the pain already? Imagine if you're smiling like that for a long time.
Okay. Put scotch tape.
Habang kagat-kagat pa rin ng mga lapis, isa pang exercise ang sinimulan nila.
Remember in pageants, you have to pose. And we call that the power move of the beauty queen. So can I see your power move?
It's different than the first day kasi may kasama po kami mag-train. And nakikita ko po talaga na sobrang palaban sila, kuya.
When I competed for Miss International, I was one of the shortest candidates. So don't feel that just because you're shorter, you won't win. Anyone can win. Right? Pakiramdam ko din, kahit papano nakatulong na may 2 bagong housemate na alam nilang makakalaban nila. Kasi nagkakaroon ng competitiveness.
Maya-maya pa,
You can take off the pencils. Sakit? Ouchie? Why hindi ka nag-toothbrush? Now, can I see your regular smile without the pencil? Smile. Smile. Now, tricks for smiling. Feel beautiful. And when you're really, really tired and it's starting to shake, hide the teeth for a while. You also smile with your eyes.
Habang abala sa training ang girls, ang boys, pinatawag ni Kuya para sa isang anunsyo.
Boys, ipapaalam ko sa inyo ngayon na mamayang gabi ay magkakaroon kayo ng party.
Party tonight!
Bilang welcome committee, kayo ang magpaplano dito.
Nagpunta na sa activity area ang girls kasama si Coach Lara para ipagpatuloy ang training.
Ano? Beauty queen stand like that? We will do this one first. Introduction. So you say your whole name, your age, where you're from, city, and country. Importante din yun kasi yun yung isa sa mga unang ginagawa sa pageant kung paano nila ipapakilala yung sarili nila na maaalala sila. Start tayo with Vivery.
Viber Escrito, 16, Bohol, Philippines.
Very good. Nagulat ako kay Vivery kasi very confident yung pag-introduce niya sa sarili niya.
Meredith!
Hey, no laughing. Remember, siguro dahil tapos na yung masungit mode ko, parang mas naging relaxed na rin sila. And there should be a a slight pause after you say your first name for me to remember you.
Again, Meredith!